Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is going to focus on Remark holding stock. It was one of the stock that we have covered in our recent video and it was biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done them, license them, we go ahead with this a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plans for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve this. So we can easily see that the stock was trading at 0.81 US dollar at 0.0036 US dollar, growing with 0.45% positive gaining. In 5 days time frame, the stock was trading at 0.03 US dollar, growing with 3.89% positive gaining. In 1 month time frame, the stock was trading at 0.04 US dollar, growing with 4.70% positive gaining.